the Met's really important to me for a number of reasons. I expect that I've seen more than 100 live acts since the first going to the Met, and that was probably back in the mid-1990s. So 25 years ago to the Met, and they're certainly not giving up just yet. It really, I think, above all else, it sort of like feeds my sort of passion I've had all my adult life for watching live music, arts and other things as well, but especially live music. It leads the cultural activities that you get in my hometown of Bury. And I feel that is a major influence to make Bury more of a place that's got its own signature, if you like. I've met many, many people who are now very, very good friends that almost always when I'm in the local vicinity of Bury and other small towns like Ramsbottom, I bump into people that I know because I've been to the Met. Local venues like the Met are absolutely critical to the music industry. And without them, I think there'll be a very, very much a diminished music industry in the future.